Hi, I'm Mark J. Schmidt of RE/MAX Country and MoveMeMark.com. I wanted to personally invite you to an open house we're holding this weekend at 3 Princess Drive in North Brunswick. 3 Princess Drive is located in the Royal Brook Estate section of North Brunswick, and this home is awesome. It's got a big eat-in kitchen with stainless steel appliances and granite counters. It's got a great family room with a wood-burning fireplace and sunny sliders to the backyard. There's a big living room and dining room with gorgeous inlaid hardwood floors. Upstairs, you're going to find a huge master bedroom with a fantastic master bath with double sinks and a great soaking tub. All the bedrooms upstairs are huge, in fact. There's a great 3-season room, and there's a fully fenced backyard with a big deck and a beautiful paver patio. This home has it all. In fact, you can even make some money with this home. I'll be happy to tell you more about that when you come to the open house. We're going to have a special guest at the open house. Alfredo Feigelmuller of Prime Lending is going to be there to answer all of your real estate questions. So come on out this Sunday, September 30th, between 1 and 4 p.m. at 3 Princess Drive in North Brunswick. For more information, please click the link that's here with the video, and I hope to see you this Sunday. Thanks so much for watching. You have a great day.